Hello friends, is your check engine light on and showing code P0447? Scene 2. Consequences of ignoring the code. This code might seem minor, but if ignored, it can lead to poor fuel economy, difficulty refueling, and even a failed emissions test. Scene 3. Video overview. In this video, I'll explain what P0447 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. The P0447 code stands for Evaporative Emission Control System Vent Control Circuit Open. Scene 2. Explanation of the EVAP system and vent control valve. Your vehicle's EVAP, Evaporative Emission Control System, prevents fuel vapors from escaping into the air. The vent control valve, vent solenoid, is responsible for opening and closing to regulate air intake into the EVAP system. When the ECU detects that the vent control valve is stuck open, or the circuit is broken, it triggers P0447. This means that the EVAP system is not properly sealing, leading to uncontrolled fuel vapor release. Common symptoms of P0447, check engine light CL, on fuel. Smell around the vehicle, difficulty filling the fuel tank, gas pump shutting off early. Poor fuel efficiency, failed emissions test. Scene 2. Consequences of ignoring the issue. Ignoring this issue can lead to higher emissions, increased fuel consumption, and potential damage to EVAP components. To diagnose P0447, you need to locate the key EVAP system components. Scene 2. Listing key components and their locations. EVAP vent control valve, vent solenoid, located near the fuel tank or charcoal canister. It controls the airflow into the EVAP system. EVAP purge control valve, purge solenoid, found near the intake manifold, responsible for drawing fuel vapors into the engine. Charcoal canister, positioned near the rear of the vehicle, close to the fuel tank. It absorbs excess fuel vapors. Fuel tank pressure sensor, mounted on or inside the fuel tank, monitoring pressure changes in the EVAP system. EVAP hoses and wiring, run between the engine, fuel tank, and EVAP components. Check for damage or leaks. Tip: refer to your car's service manual for exact sensor locations based on your vehicle model. Common causes of P0447. 1. Faulty EVAP vent control valve, vent solenoid. The valve may be stuck open or not receiving power, preventing proper operation. 2. Broken or disconnected wiring, corroded, damaged, or unplugged connectors can cause an open circuit. 3. Blown fuse. A blown EVAP vent solenoid fuse can cause the circuit to stay open. 4. Blocked EVAP vent hose. A clog prevents proper ventilation, causing the system to malfunction. 5. Bad ECU, engine control module. Rarely, a faulty ECU misreads vent valve signals and triggers the code. How to fix P0447. Step 1. Use an OBD-II scanner to confirm P0447 and check for additional codes. Step 2. Locate the vent control valve near the fuel tank. Inspect its wiring and connectors for damage. Step 3. Test the vent solenoid with a multimeter. If there is no voltage or it's stuck open, replace it. Step 4. Check the fuse for the EVAP system. Replace if blown. Step 5. Inspect the EVAP hoses and charcoal canister for clogs and clean if necessary. Step 6. If all components check out, test the fuel tank pressure sensor for faults. Step 7. Clear the code with an OBD scanner and test drive to confirm the issue is fixed. Final words. The P0447 code is usually caused by a faulty vent valve, broken wiring, or a blown fuse. Fixing it restores proper EVAP function and improves vehicle efficiency. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0176, Fuel Composition Sensor Circuit Malfunction. P0177, Fuel Composition Sensor Circuit Range of Performance. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.